We have a massive price for Monday for Sndl because on Friday we closed really strong while all the market went down, most of the market. And let's get right to it because we already predicted that the squeeze around the 6th or the 6th of February. We predicted the price when it was here. We said we're gonna see a test around the 0.61, and guess what? On Friday we saw the price close above this level, and because we have something which is here, Sndl actually jumped after Nasdaq granted Sndl a 180-day extension for the regain the compliance with the minimum bid. So everybody knows any stock is like trading below the $1, and there's a certain of time if you've been trading below the $1, there's some kind of rules. You have to go above the $1 in order to be in the Nasdaq, listed in Nasdaq. So that's why we have Sndl jump, because they have just 180 left again to go above the $1. And again, we could actually anticipate that because right now it's been talked about a lot, and Ape Wisdom here, where we're gonna see a lot of like Reddit jumped on the Sndl. You see it is jumped 190 point up on the rank on the third after BBIG. You see that the price is jumped crazy and upward. We have a lot and jumps 194% in the subreddit right now on the most short squeeze stocks. So right now let's see what's going on, because we overcome the resistance that we talked about in 6th of February. When we were trading here, we anticipated the price to go a bit down, then jumped. And then we have this resistance which is respected and broke around Friday. If we go in a 1 hour chart, you see it exactly where? Here, the 1 hour 0.61 exactly, and the last 1 hour is called the power hour. The last Friday we closed above it. This is a nice turning point, and we did almost how much for the last hour? This is crazy. We did almost 10% or 13% just for the last hour. While you see most of the market went down, we have AMC gone up as well, because we have AMC anticipated the earning here. We have most anticipated earnings. I just put it on Patreon, and we have AMC and we have Nvidia, and we have a lot of stocks that have earning coming up for this next week. That's why we see AMC holding after the market go down, and LKCO as well. So for Sndl, we holding the 0.61. This is right now is the support, the 0.61, and the resistance, the next resistance that will be tested before the $1 is the 0.71. This will be the turning point to see the price jump almost the $1. This would be just the turning point to confirm that the bullish momentum and the squeeze will happen pretty soon, and we might see the $1 even before the 180 days, and even we can see it in the next week if we just close above the 0.71. However, right now the 0.71 should be a bit of resistance. We're gonna see a bit of consolidation. If we saw a consolidation, we want to see a price hold around this area, give or take. Right now around this area will be, we tested actually the 0.66 and we got rejected below the 0.65. So even if we went high for Monday and break pre-market to the 0.66, this is a lot of people anticipate that we're gonna see a pre-market gap. We might see a gap even in the pre-market around the 0.71. The price will go down a bit to find the support, then a break. This will be the best scenario for Sndl to confirm the bullish momentum. Let me calculate how much for the pre-market if we saw it. Yeah, it's not a big deal for Sndl. We already did this kind of gap, 8%, 9%, because we did it here around the 8th of February when we open 70% up pre-market. So we're gonna see, anticipate a lot of volatility for Sndl. Be cautious. As I said, we need to hold the support in order to confirm the volatility is there, the bullish momentum is there, and testing for resistance, then holding the resistance. This will confirm that we're gonna see the $1. Have a strategy, have a like taking profit. If you're an investor, of course you can hold and reload around the support where we gonna go, not just buying on when the price go up. And if you FOMO and you buying at the top, if you know the price will go down a bit to consolidate, is wiser to buy around this area, not at the top, as we always say in Patreon and Discord. So without further ado, hopefully that was informative. Hopefully you have a nice weekend and be prepared for hunt with us for the Monday pre-market if you are with us in Patreon and on here on YouTube when the market open. So without further ado, see you in the next update.